Hello friends, how are you? My name is Nixon and today I want to unbox or rather open the Gator 6-inch nylon mesh pop filter. These guys Gator, they make microphone bags, microphone cables and the microphone ATA cases. And this is the 6 inches nylon mesh microphone pop filter from Gator. So I'm just going to open it. Like this. So this is the pop filter itself, and it has two layers, double layers, on this side and on this side, and in the middle there is this hole, or these two gaps, and they help much to separate any pop or any pop sound going to the other side of your condenser microphone when you are recording. Otherwise, it has this foldable arm, which is to be screwed here like this. Like this. Isn't nice. And this attachment, which you have to attach it to the stand of the mic that you are recording with. So this one goes into this part here. It's a bit tough. Okay, so I'm going to screw it like this. Okay, it is done, and now let us assume this is our stand for the mic, and I'm just going to just fix it here. Like this. So if your mic is here, you are just going to direct the pop filter well so that you can record. So nice and easy like this. This is my pop filter, an update from my studio. So I thank you for watching, and if you have any other comments, let me know. Let me know which pop filter I should look up for updating my studio. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.